Hello guys, welcome. In today's video, we are going to discuss about arithmetic progression. Okay, it must be chapter number 6 or something. Now, if I need to update this, okay, this chapter, the reason for choosing this chapter is this chapter is quite easy. Okay, you can attempt all the questions from this chapter. At least 3 to 4 mark questions are asked. 3 to 4 marks questions are asked from this chapter. Okay, and another thing is no portion is deleted from this chapter. Okay, no portion deleted from this chapter for this year 2021. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. No portion is deleted and 3 to 4 mark questions are asked from this chapter. Okay, I'm not going to do all the questions available in the exercise. Okay, so I have taken some particular questions from previous year's paper. Okay, the questions I have taken are from 2011 to 2017. Okay, I've taken question paper from all this. Okay, and I'm going to discuss step by step, making you understand the chapter. Okay, so after watching this video, you will be able to solve most of the questions available in the textbook. Okay, so let's start. Okay, I've taken the first question, that is define arithmetic progression. This is 1 mark 2014. Okay, let us understand what is arithmetic progression. Okay, what does arithmetic progression mean? So arithmetic progression, okay, by before understanding arithmetic progression, we must understand sequence. Okay, what is a sequence? Any number arranged in a particular format. Okay, and like suppose I say, if you have been to say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, all these are go on and on. These are sequence. Why sequence? This is all arranged in a particular pattern, that is 2 to the power 1, 4 is 2 square, 6 is 2 cube. What am I doing? 2 into 2, this is 2 into 3, this is 2 into 4, this way. Or you can say it's an even number. Okay, so it is a sequence. Okay, or the number may be like, you can write this way also. Another number like 2, 4, 8, 16, on and on. Okay, this power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 to power 4, and so on. Okay, so this is also a sequence. Okay, now what is an arithmetic progression then? Now, for understanding what is an arithmetic progression, we need to understand sequence, and we have understood so far. Okay, now let me rough out this one. Let me make you understand what is arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression is something, okay, and so arithmetic progression, it is a sequence. It is a sequence. It is a sequence such that the sequence, okay, whose sequence, whose terms are, let's say A1, A2, A3, A4, an. Okay, these are the terms. Okay, these are the terms. Then A2 minus A1 must be equal to A3 minus A2. Okay, which must be equal to A4 minus A3. So this is a sequence. This is an arithmetic progression. The sequence whose second term minus first term must be equal to third term minus second term, and so on. Okay, so before we have taken the example, let us check it out. Okay, let us check 2 to power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 to power 4, ... Okay, so this we can write 2, 4, 8, 16, and so on. Let us say this is a sequence, no doubt. This is a sequence, okay. But let us check whether this is an AP or not. For this to be an AP, 4 minus 2, which is 2, and 8 minus 2 is second term minus first term, third minus second, that is 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Now 16 minus 8 is 8 again. So all these are not equal. So this is not an AP. This is a sequence but not AP. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, I'm not making much complicated. Okay. Now another example. The example which we have taken. Let me take that example again. Okay. Let me rough out this one. The example which we have taken, what was that? It was 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Okay. For this is a sequence. It is an even number, sequence of an even number. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Now all these are same. Okay. So this is an AP. Okay. All these are equal. So this is an AP. So a sequence can be an AP, but it is not necessary that AP. No, NAP is a sequence, but it is not necessary that every sequence is an AP. Okay, I'm not complicating that. Okay, so I hope you understood what is an arithmetic progression. If you need to write the exact answer, you can go to your textbook and write it. It was asked in 2014, and you have chance of asking it. Okay, so that's all. Let us go to next question. Okay, question number 2. Okay, now before going to the question, chapter number, the arithmetic progression, we have understood what is an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression can be divided into 2 parts. Okay, one is finding nth term, okay, and another is finding sum. Okay, finding nth term and finding sum. Okay, it's exercise, I think it is 6.1. 6.1 is all about finding nth term, and exercise 6.2 is about finding sum. Okay, I think I'm not complicating that also. Okay, so let us understand step by step. Okay, first let us understand finding the nth term. Okay, let us do the formula and let us find out. Okay, this formula is also asked. Okay, finding the formula was also asked. It was asked, I don't know, I think it must be 2011 or 2012. Okay, this question was asked in 2013 also. I think 13 or 14. Okay, this question is quite repeated. 11, 13, all these questions, this question was asked. Okay, so this is an important question. So let us find the solution. What does the question says? We need to understand the question before doing any question. Prove that in an AP, okay, there is an AP. Okay, understand there is an AP. You know what is an AP, right? Second term minus first term must be equal to third term minus second term. Okay, so prove that in an AP with first term a and common difference d, the nth term is given by a n equal to a plus n minus 1. So here a is the first term, okay, and d is the common difference. Okay, a is the first term and d is the common difference. Okay, now the nth term is given by, now we need to find nth term. What is nth term? You need to find a n. We need to find a n. What must be a n? A plus n minus 1 d. Okay, this is we need to prove. Okay, we need to prove this one. Okay, so let us start. Okay, let us do. So let us find the first term, a1. A1 will be a. Okay, what will be a2? A2 will be a plus d. Simple. The second term will be addition with d. What will be a3? A plus 2d. Okay, so a4, a plus 4, a plus 3d. Simple. You can write, is it? You can understand that much. So a1, this one we can write a plus 0d. We can write this one is a plus d and a plus 2d. Okay, we can write more this one, a plus 1 minus 1d. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 we can write 1 minus 1. Not that complicated. Second one, a plus d, we can write a plus 2 minus 1d. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1 d. We can write like this. Third one, we can write a plus 3 minus 1d. Not that complicated even. So simple. What is 4? 4 we can write a plus 4 minus 1d. Okay, we can write a1 is equal to a plus 1 minus 1d. a2 is equal to a plus 2 minus 1d. a3 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1d. a4 is equal to a plus 4 minus 1d. Keep going on. You write a7 is equal to a plus 7 minus 1d. You can write. Simple. Okay, so therefore, suppose you happen to find an. What will be an? A plus n minus 1d. Clear, right? So this is hence proved. Okay, not that complicated. A n is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Let us go and see. Remember this formula. This formula is very important. Remember the formula a n is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. Okay, what is A? First term. A is the first term. Okay, if you are not clear with this, wait for a moment. Okay, you will understand once we start doing the question. What is N here? Number of terms. Number of terms. What is D? Common difference. Okay, D is common difference. Okay, what is common difference? Take the sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, dot dot dot, 4 minus 2, which is 2, 6 minus 2, 6 minus 4, which is 2, all these 2, okay, this is common difference. Common difference, CD, represented by D. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Okay, I hope you are able to understand what is common difference here. Let us move forward and see another question. And remember this formula. If you know this formula very well, 6.1, you'll be able to you'll be able to do all the questions from 6.1. All questions, okay? Not that difficult. You'll be able to do all the questions. Not that complicated. But you must understand this formula very well. A is equal to A plus N minus 1D. So let us move forward and do one question from exercise 6.1, which is asked in exam. Find the common difference of an AP whose nth term is 3n minus 2. So here, solution. Okay. What does the question is asking? What question is asking us to find the value of D? Common difference. Okay. Do you know the value of A? A value? A or A1? We don't have. What do we have? Whose nth term? Nth term means An is equal to 3n minus 2. This is the nth term. Okay. An, which is 3n minus 2. Okay. Now, what we are going to do? We need to find the value of A first, after that D. Okay. Let us find the value of A. Okay. Let us find out. Okay. If you are going to find the value of A1, A2, A3, then A2 minus A1 will be D. It is simple. So let us find out the value of A1. Instead of N, you put 1. So A1 will be 3 into 1 minus 2. Instead of N, we are putting 1 to find A1. 3 1s are 3 minus 2. It is 1. Okay. Now let us find A2. 3 into 2 minus 2. 3 2s are 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. It is 4. Okay. A3. 3 into 3 minus 2. 3 3s are 9 minus 2. It is 9 minus 2. 7. Okay. So we can write. Let's write in next page. A1 is equal to 2. A2 is equal to 7, right? No, A2 is equal to 4. A3 is equal to 7. And you can keep finding out A4, A5, A6, okay? But let's not find out, okay? Because we need to find out only the value of D. So A2 minus A1, okay, is equal to 4 minus 2. Or we can write A3 minus A2, which is also equal. A2 is equal to 7 minus 4. Let us find out this one. A2 minus A1. 4 minus 2. It is 2. Or A3 minus A2. You just find it out. 7 minus 4. Which is also 4 minus 2. 7 minus 4. 5, 6, 7. 3. Now I have done some mistakes here. 3 minus 2. 1. Okay, that A1 is 1. No? That's what. A1 is 1. Sorry guys. This is 1. So 4 minus 1, it is 3. Okay. Now it is same also. So therefore common difference. Common difference D is equal to 3. Okay. Done. Now let us do another question. Okay. If you don't understand, you just write down in the comment below. Okay. I'll be happy to explain you. Okay. What is happening here? Because I need to make this video within 1 hour or a little bit longer. May not be okay. Within in the range of 1 hour. So I need to do it faster, and I need to less questions as possible. Okay, these are okay. If you do have any doubt, you just write down in the comment below. Okay, so here same thing, same question. This is also another 1 mark question. Okay, what does it say? If the nth term of an AP is 5 minus 3n, what is the common difference? Same questions as before. Let me do 1 second. Do you have the value of a? Do not forget the formula. You just write down the formula here. A is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, we need to know a, d. Okay, all these things. So this formula you just remember. Okay, I think we don't apply directly here, but anyway, you just remember. A1, we do not know. Do you know the value of d? We do not know. We need to find the value of d, right? So an, what is an? An is given the nth term, that is 5 minus 3n. So a1, 5 minus 3 into 1. 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3, it is 2. Okay, let us find a2 also. 5 minus 3 into 2. 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1. Okay, let us find for security purpose a3 also. Okay, it is not necessary to find even, but let us find out. Okay, 5 minus 3 into 3 is equal to 5 minus 9 equal to minus 4. Okay, so that's all. You can keep finding out other values even. So here a1 was 2 minus 1 4. a1, a2, a3, 2 array, what the hell is it? 2 minus 1 minus 4. Okay, now that should be simple, and let us look into it. Okay, 2 minus 1 minus 4. So what we need to find out? We need to find out the value of d. Common difference. D will be a2 minus a1 or a3 minus a2. Sorry, I have written here 2. This must be 3. Okay, so what will be this? a2 minus a1 minus 1 minus 2, or a3 will be minus 4. Okay, minus into minus 1. Do not forget, here is minus sign. Okay, a2 is minus 1, so put in the bracket. Okay, so what is minus 1 minus 2? If you do not know this, how to calculate this, you just write down minus 1 minus 2. Okay, since they have both same sign, you have to add these two numbers. If they are both the same sign, minus minus or plus plus, add this one. 2 plus 1 3. Okay, take the bigger number sign. Okay, minus, so it is minus 3. And similarly here, minus 4 minus into minus plus 1. Here minus 4 plus 1. Okay, minus you take down. Okay, 4 minus 4. Since they have different sign, you are taking the number of the bigger sign. Now since they have different sign, you have to subtract. 4 minus 1 3. Okay, it is minus 3. So therefore common difference is equal to minus 3. Okay, let us move forward and do another question. Okay, what will be our next question? Okay, next question, let us see. This must be, I think, 4 or 5, third or fourth. This must be fourth question. Okay, now we are going to do a practical question. Okay, do not forget the formula. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. We have already derived the formula also. We have proved in the previous question. So let us solve this. Okay, solution. What is the question saying? A manufacturing company, there is a company which is manufacturing cars. They are making cars. Okay, they produce 600 cars in third year, 600 cars in third year, 700 cars in 7th year. Assume that the production increases uniformly by fixed number every year. Find the production in the 10th year. Now this is third year production was 600. Seventh year production was 700. Okay, 600 and 700. Now we need to find the 10th year production. 10th year production. Okay, 10th year production of cars we need to find out. Okay, now what is the condition given? That every year the production increases uniformly. That is, if in the first year it is A1, then in the second year it will be A1 plus D. What will be in the third year? A3 will be A2 plus D. You can understand, right? A1 is equal to A, then again go on this way uniformly. Therefore, it is an AP. Okay, the production manufacturing is an AP because every year it is increasing by same amount. Okay, so we know third years and seventh year. We need to find 10th year. Okay, so let us third year A3. Third year. Okay, A3. Let us write a third year by A3. What is A3? 600. And what is A7? It is 700. So we need to find 10th year. It will be A plus 10 will be 10 minus 1 D. So we need to find D and A value for finding 10th year. Okay, so have you understood the question? Now let us start solving the question. Solution. We have A3. What is the value of A3? 600. And A7. What is A7? 700. Okay. A3 is 600. A7 is 700. We need to find A10, which is question mark, which will be A plus, do not forget the formula, A plus N minus 1 D. AN. You know the formula, right? So instead of N, here is 10. Okay. So you can write 10 minus 1 D is equal to A plus 9D. Okay. So here for finding A10, which the question is asking us to find, we need to know the value of A and we need to know the value of D. Okay. So let us find the value of A and D from these two conditions. Okay. So A3 is equal to 600. Formula for A3 will be A plus, instead of N you put 3 here. So N 3 minus 1 D from this formula. Okay. Do not forget the formula. So A plus 2D. Okay. So we can write A plus 2D is equal to 600. Equation number 1. Now another is A7 is equal to 700, which will be A plus 7 minus 1 D, which is A plus 6D. So we can write A plus 6D is equal to 700. Equation number 2. I hope I'm not complicating the answer. Okay, I hope you are not getting complex or complicated or confused. Okay, by looking at this. Okay, now we need to find the value of D and A from these two equations. If you have understood linear equations in two variables, so this will be easy for you to solve. Okay, you can easily solve. Okay, now let me solve these two. Okay, let me rough out the previous ones. Okay, if you haven't copied, you can just little bit bake the video and watch it. Okay, so you can easily understand it. So let us understand this one even. So now, so from equation number 1 and 2, subtracting equation number 1 by 2. Okay, A plus 2D is equal to 600. A plus 6D is equal to 700. Okay, subtract it. This is minus sign here, this is minus sign here, this is minus sign here. Okay, this, you know how to do this, all these things. I didn't think so it is complicated to you. If you don't understand, don't worry. When I making the video on linear equation, when I make the video on linear equation, I'll take this. Okay, I'll make you understand all this. Okay, so A is cancelled. So 6 minus 6D plus 2D, it will be minus 4D. Minus 700 plus 600, it will be minus 100. So minus minus cancel, it is plus. So let me rough out even this one. And then from here, okay, D is equal to 100 divided by 4, which is 25. We got the value of D. Clear? Now we need to find the value of A. Okay, let us put the value of A, D here. Okay, putting the value of d is equal to 25 in equation number 2. Equation number 2, a plus 6 into 25 is equal to 700. Okay, in equation number 2, this equation we have put instead of d 25 so that we can find the value of a. Okay, I hope it is clear again. A is equal to 25 6 a plus 25 into 6 150 is equal to 700. So a is equal to 700 minus 150, which is equal to 550. We got the value of a, we got the value of d. I hope it is clear. What we need to find? We need to find the 10th here, that is a 10th. So a is equal to 550, d is equal to 25. Okay, we need to find out the value of a10. So let us find out. Let me rough out all these things. I will, it is clear to you. If you need to copy, you just pause the video and copy it. Okay, let me rough out all these things. No need to copy even. If you need the notes, you can practice. Okay, I'm not against that. If you need the notes, I've already made the PDF. Okay, I'll be either providing down in the video, okay, in the description box, or you can go to our Facebook page. Okay, I'll be posting there. Or let's see where I can post the notes. Okay. So a10 is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So instead of n, it is 10. Okay, 10 minus 1 we can write direct 9. Okay, so we know the value of a is 550 plus 9 into d is 25 is equal to 550 plus 9 into 25. What will be the answer? 175. Okay, so it is 725. This is a10. Okay, adding this to it will be 725. I hope it is clear to you. Not that complex, not that difficult. Okay, do not forget the formula. What is the formula? an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, remember the formula. Let us move forward into another question. Now another question. The 6th term and the 17th term of an AP are 21 and 54 respectively. Find the term of an AP. Find the first term of an AP is, okay, we are going to find the first term. Similar to the previous question, but we are finding 10th term. Here we need to find out the first term. Okay, we need to find only the value of a, no need to find the value of d here, because first term is a. So here a6 is given. What is a6? 21. And what is a17? It is 54. a6 is a plus 6 minus 1 d. Okay, and what is a7? a54? a plus 17 minus 1 d. Do not forget the formula: 6 minus 1 n minus 1 d, 17 minus 1 n minus 1 d. Okay, a plus 6 minus 1 is 5, d is equal to 21, and a plus 16 d is equal to 54. Okay, now we have got two equations from these two. Okay, I've written from these two, equation number 1 and 2. Like previous questions, we are going to solve it by elimination method. Do it anyway. Okay, do it by elimination method or anything. Okay, but I will prefer another method. Let me not cancel. I need to find only the value of a. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to take this first equation. Okay, do by your method. If you know how to solve this, you can do by any method you know. Okay, I will prefer another method, substitution method. Okay, so what am I going to do in substitution method? I need to find the value of d from here and put it here. So a plus 5d is equal to 21. 5d is equal to 21 minus a. d is equal to 21 minus a by 5. Okay, this we are going to put in equation number 2. Okay, d is equal to 21 minus a by 5. d is equal to 21 minus a divided by 5. Okay, putting in equation number 2. Okay, what is equation number 2 here? A plus 16d is equal to 54. A plus 16d is equal to 54. Okay, instead of d we are going to put that one. So a plus 16d. So d, instead of d, put this one by 5 is equal to 54. I hope it is clear, not that difficult even. So a plus 16 into 21. Okay, 16 into 21. What will be 16 into 21? 16 into 21. Let me multiply here. 6 on the 6, 1. 2 6 the 12. 2 on the 2, 3. 6, 2, 3, 3, 3, 6. 3, 3, 6 minus 16a divided by 5 is equal to 54. Hope it is clear? Simple mathematics only. You can solve it by your own method. If you know the substitution method, use that. Okay. Otherwise, write down in the comment below. If you say you don't understand that, I'll make a separate video for you. Okay. Whoever says that I don't understand, I'll make a separate video for you. Do not worry. Okay. So 16a minus a will be minus 15a plus 3. No, wait. What have I done? So take the LCM. 5. So 5a plus 336 minus 16a is equal to 54. So 5a minus 16, it will be minus 11a. This one minus this one. Okay, it is minus 11a plus 336 is equal to, do the cross multiplication. 5 into 54. What will be 5 into 54? It will be 270. You just multiply. Okay, it will be 54 into 5. 5 for the 20. 5 for the 25, 26, 27. Okay, 270. So have you understood this one also? So let us find the value of a. We need to find the value of a. Okay, so we can write minus 11a is equal to 270 minus 336. Okay, 270 minus 336 minus 336 plus 270. Take the bigger number sign, minus. Since they have opposite sign, you need to do subtraction. So 6 will come here. 7, 13 minus 7, it will be 30 minus 7, 6, right? So 66 is the answer. Okay, minus 66 is the answer. So it will be minus 11a is equal to minus 66. Minus cancel. So we need to find the value of a. Let me draw a crooked line. Crooked line. A is equal to 66 by 11. Okay, 66 by 11. 11 6 is 66. Okay, so a is equal to 6. So the first term is 6. Okay, if this is the choose the correct answer, it is quite long for us. This choose the correct answer. Okay, they have given quite long. Okay, so answer is option A. It is 6. Okay, the question is here they are asking for choose the correct. They may ask even for 2 mark question or 3 mark questions. Okay, this question may be asked for 3 mark also. Okay, so it's simple also. It's not that complicated. Just it is taking a little bit longer time. Okay, let us do another question. Okay, now we need to find the common difference again, similar to the previous 2 questions. Not that different, but here is also the multiple choice question. So it is, we can say, similar to the previous question. Okay, the question is giving the 15th term of an AP exceeds the second 22nd term by 35. So what does it says? We have A15. Okay, and we have A22, we have A15, and we have A22. Okay, 15 and 22nd term. Now what does it say? 15th term of an AP exceeds the 22nd term. Now A15 exceeds means A15 is greater than A22. Okay, now by 35. Now A15 minus A22 will be equal to 35. This is what the question means. Okay, the common difference of an AP is, we need to find the common difference of this AP. What is the common difference? We need to find the value of D. That will be the common difference. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, now let us start solving the answer. What we know? We know the formula. Do not forget the formula. Let's write down here. A is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So A15 will be A plus 15 minus 1D. Okay, and A22nd will be A plus 22 minus 1D. Using the formula, we do not know the value of A. 15 minus 1 is 14. D, we do not know the value of A and D. We can write A plus 22 minus 1 is 21. D. Okay, first and second. Now we need to write, what does the question says? A15 minus A22 is equal to 35. Okay, from equation number 1 and equation number 2, from 1 and 2, write down the value of A15 and A22. A15 is A plus 14D minus A22 is A plus 21D is equal to 35. Okay, now A plus 14D minus A minus 21D is equal to 35. Okay, A cancel. Okay, 14D minus 21D. 14D minus 21D. What is the answer? What is the answer? 14D minus 21D. Okay, take the bigger number sign, minus 21, 14. Bigger number sign, minus 21 minus 14. Minus 21, 14. Okay, 21 minus 14 will be 7, right? 7. So it is minus 7. D is equal to 35. So D is equal to 35 by minus 7. 7 5 ja 35. It is minus 5. I hope it is clear to you. As you can see in the screen how I calculated, we got the value of D. How did we get? We got from this equation. Okay, we know the value of D. Okay, what do we need to find out? The common difference of an AP is, we got the value of D, that is minus 5. Let us represent it by minus 5. So this is the answer. It's simple. I thought we need to find the value of A1. No need to find. We need to find just the value of D, which we got by subtracting A15 minus A22, which is equal to 50, which is equal to 35. And we got the answer. D is equal to minus 5. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Okay, if not, do not hesitate to write down in the comment below. Okay, I am telling you again and again. Okay, write down in the comment below. I am there to help you. Okay, it's not like classroom or coaching center where you are feeling hesitation to ask the question. Here you can write the question. Okay, if you don't want your name to come up, make duplicate account. Okay, make fake account, change the name. Okay, but do not forget to ask the question. Okay, let's go and do another question again. Now, so far we have done, that is finding the nth term. Okay, so far we have done finding nth term. Okay, nth term. Okay, somewhere we found the value of D, somewhere we found the value of A, somewhere we found it of AN. We have found many values. Okay, we have done sufficient question. I have so, and all these questions are from 6.1. Okay, there are very good chances of asking all these questions. This question I've taken from previous year's paper from 2011 to 2017. Okay, and this kind of questions are available in 6.1. You can go and practice from there. Okay, and any question if you find difficult, I've told you already. Okay, I'm here. You just write down in the comment below or write in the comment platform that we have. Okay, next question. Let us try another question. The sum of the first n term of an AP with first term A and common difference D is given by. Now, before going through this, okay, now we need to discuss the sum. Okay, before going through all this, we need to discuss the sum of an AP. Okay, so far we have discussed many things. Now let us take any AP. Okay, any AP, A1, A2, A3, dot, AN. This is an AP. Okay, example, this is particular example of AP, so let's say general thing. Okay, so what will be the sum? Sn, sum of nth term, all this sum plus if you happen to add all these things, what will be the answer? Sn will be n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is the formula. N divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. What is n here? N here is the number of term. n is number of terms. Okay, what is d here? Common difference. Common difference. Okay, what is a here? First term. Okay, we know the first term, we know the number of terms, and we know the common difference. Okay, I hope it is clear to you, not that difficult. Sn, we have got all these things. Okay, we have got a Sn is equal to n divided with 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so this is the formula which you need to remember. Okay, we'll keep solving, and you while we are doing the question, you try to remember the formula even. Okay, if you happen to practice more and more, you need not to remember, it will be automatically remembered. Okay, so n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So okay, this is the value of, this is the formula for sum. So let us start doing the question. This question was asked in 2012. What does the question say? The sum of the first nth term of an AP with the first term a and the common difference d is given by. Now they are asking the formula, okay, which we have discussed already. What does they say? They say the first term a is the first term. Okay, d is the common difference. Okay, d is common difference. Okay, and number of terms is n. Okay, so what is the formula? We know the d common difference, a first term, and number of terms is n. So what is the formula? Is it this one the formula? No. Is this one n divided by 2? This, so far this is correct. N divided a plus n minus 1. Here it is wrong. Okay, in the formula we have 2a here. This is correct, this one is correct, but this one is not correct. Okay, and this is also correct, but this is wrong, so we have to write 2a here. Let's take this one, n divided by 2. This is correct so far. 2a so far correct. Okay, n minus 1 d correct, so c is the answer. Okay, Sn is equal to n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is the formula. Okay, this is the formula, and this is the question which is asked in 2012 by giving 1 mark by in the choose the correct answer. So you can easily get the you can easily get 1 mark by just remembering the formula. Let us do another question. So they are asking to find the sum of first 25 terms of an AP. First 25 term of an AP, they've given the AP. Okay, so let us write down the formula here. With due respect, let us write down the formula. N divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, okay, solution. Okay, we need to write the formula. So what they are saying, they are asking us first 25 term. That is, we need to find the sum of first S25. Instead of n, you are going to put 25. So instead of n, put 25 divided by 2 into a plus, instead of n, 25 minus 1 d. Okay, clear, right? So you can write 25 divided by 2, 2a plus 25 minus 1, 24 d. Write down. Okay, so far it's okay. Now from this 20, 17, 14, you find the value of a, which you don't know, and find the value of d. Okay, from here the first term, that is a. So what is a? A is 20. Okay, now d, second term minus first term, 17 minus 20. Okay, 17 minus 20 will be minus 20 plus 17. So what will be this? Take the sign of the bigger number, and if they have different sign, opposite sign, then subtract it. 20 minus 17, 3. So minus 3. Okay, we got the value of d is minus 3. I've told you how we got 8. Okay, now put the value of a and d in this equation. Equation number 1, suppose first, let's say. So S25 is equal to 25 divided by 2a. Instead of a, we are going to put 20. 22 into 20 plus n minus 1, that is 24d. So 24 into, what is d? Minus 3. Minus 3. Okay, so 25 divided by 2, 40 plus into minus, 4 3 is 12, 2 3 to the 6 7. Okay, so 25 divided by 2, 40 minus 72. What will be the answer? 40 minus 72, it is minus 32. Let us cancel these two. 2 and the 2, 2 6 is 12, so 25 into minus 16, so minus into plus minus 25 into 16. What will be the answer? 25 into 16, it will be 400. I have so 25 into 16, 5 6 5 is 30, 6 is 12, 13 14 15, 5 is 5, 2 is 2, 0 5 10, 2 3 4, so it is 400. Yeah, I was correct. Minus 400. The sum is minus 400. Okay, the sum of S21. Therefore, the sum of first 25th terms, first 25 terms is minus 400. I hope I haven't done any mistakes. If I have done any mistake, please point me out. Okay, I may do mistakes. Okay, I'm human being. I may do many mistakes. So please point me out where am I where have I done any where have I done any mistakes. Okay, I'll be happy to acknowledge that. Okay, so I'll be quite happy that you have understood and you can find out the mistakes even. So let's go and do another question. Okay, so how many times of an AP 1 6 11 16 must be taken so that the sum is 148? Now the question is little bit here, it is tricking us. Okay, don't worry, we are not going to fall under any trap such thing. This question was asked for 2 marks in 2015. Let us write down the formula. N divided by 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, now how many terms of an AP? 1 6 11 16 must be taken so that the sum is 148. We know the sum value of sum 148. Okay, n divided by 2, we need to find the value of n. Okay, we need to find the value of n. We do not know the value of n, so write down 2. We need to find the value of a. What is a here? The first term a, so 2 into 1 plus n minus 1. Okay, we do not know the value of n, so let's write down n minus 1. D, what is d here? Second term minus first term, 6 minus 1, which is 5. So value of d is 5. Okay, 148 equal to, we need to find the value of n divided by 2, 2 and the 2 plus 5n minus 5, multiplying to both this number by 5. Okay, so 148 is equal to n divided by 2 minus 5, it is minus 3 plus 5n. Let us write down let us do calculation in the next page. Okay, 148 is equal to 1n by 2, n by 2 minus 3 plus 5n, minus 3 plus 5n. Now this question, okay, 2 you multiply this side. Okay, cross multiplication, just do it. Okay, not that complicated. Okay, what is happening with my English again? So multiply by 2. 8 to the 16, 4 to the 8, 9, 200 2, 296. Okay, is equal to multiply by n, 3n plus 5n square. Problem will come. So 5n square. So you take everything on one side, okay, and make a quadratic equation. Okay, so in previous question we have done some questions where linear equations are needed, linear equation into variables. Now we need to understand something where quadratic equations are needed. So 5n square minus 3n is equal to 296. Not equal to, take this one also this side, minus 296 equal to 0. Now we need to solve this. Okay, now we need to solve this. So you can use the quadratic formula that finding the roots, which is minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. You know the formula, this finding the roots in quadratic equations. Okay, if you do not know also, look carefully. Okay, this is for where ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is here, b is here, and c is here, and we are going to put in this equation. Okay, so taking this, okay, in this equation a is 5, b is minus 3 from that equation, and c is minus 296. Okay, put all this value in the above equation. Okay, let me rough out. Okay, so roots will be minus b. What is b here? Minus b, minus b. B is minus 3. Minus b plus minus root over b square. What is b square? Minus 3 square. B square minus 4ac. 4 into 5 into c is 296. Minus 296. Do not forget this also. Okay, divided by 2a. 2a. What is a? Into 5. Okay, these are the value of n. Okay, n values can be like this. Okay, we are finding the value of n that are also called roots. So minus into minus, plus 3 plus minus root over 3 3 is 9 minus 4 5 is 20. 20 into 296. Minus into minus plus 4 5 is 20. 20 into 296. 296 into 20. How much it will be? It will be around at least 200 into 500. 500. Okay, 500. 6 to the 592. If I'm not wrong, please check it out. Okay, 592 divided by 2 5s are 10. Okay, so 3 plus minus root over 296 into 2. If I've done any mistake, then it will be horrible again. 296 2. 6 to the 12. 9 to the 18, 19. 2 to the 4, 5. 5920. Okay, so 5929 divided by 10. I hope you can understand so far. Okay, to calculate this, we need to find the root of 5929. What will be the root of 5929? Come on, tell me what is the root of 5929. So the answer, the root of 5929, okay, 5929 root will be 3 plus 77 plus minus 77 divided by 10. Okay, so we can write 3 plus 77 divided by 10 or 3 minus 77 divided by 10. Okay, we can write, I hope this is not seen. Let me write down over here. Okay, let me rough out this one so that so n will be equal to 3 plus minus 77 divided by 10, which is 3 plus 77 by 10 or 3 minus 77 by 10. 3 plus 77, it will be 80 divided by 10, or 3 minus 77, it will be minus 74 divided by 10. Okay, so this is completely 8, or this is minus 7.4. So number cannot be this one. Okay, n value must always be natural number, but this is not natural number. This is not natural number. Another thing, it is an integer. Okay, negative number with decimal, so we cannot take this one. Ignore this. We have to take only 8. So therefore n is equal to 8. Okay, we got the value of n. What the question is asking us, how many terms of an AP? Okay, so there will be 8 terms. Okay, the answer will be the required answer. Okay, the answer will be, there will be 8 terms. Okay, I hope the answer is correct. If not, please go and check it out. Okay, I may do mistakes. Okay, I accept that I may do mistakes, so you can just go and check it out whether this is a correct answer or not. Okay, so let us move forward and do another question. Okay, what will be our another question? Find the sum of first n natural odd number. Same question, similar type of question. First, write down the formula. Sn is equal to n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, what is n here? N is first n natural number, natural odd number, natural odd numbers. Okay, not even number, not natural number, it is natural odd number. So what are natural odd number? Natural odd number. So 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, dot dot dot. These are odd numbers. Okay, we need to find the sum of nth natural odd number, nth. So Sn is equal to n divided by 2. 2 into what is a is 1 plus n minus 1. What is d? D is 3 minus 2, that is 2. Is equal to n divided by 2. 2 and the 2 plus 2n minus 2. Cancel. 2 cancel. Simple, right? It will be n divided by 2 into 2n. 2 cancel. It is n square. So our answer is n square. We got the answer as n square. I hope you understood this much. Okay. It is clear to you. I hope so. How we get the answer. If you feel doubt or anything, you just write down in the comment below, or you can go once again and watch the video. Okay. We have another one more, I think 1 or 2 more questions. This question was asked in 2017. Okay. The sum of the finite AP 147 dot 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 178. We need to find the sum. Okay. Sum of an AP. Okay. This AP is given. Okay. Solution. Write down the formula. Sn is equal to n divided 2, 2a plus n minus 1. Do not forget the formula. If you know the formula, you can attempt any question. Now what the question is giving us, it says that we have 1, 4, 7, dot, 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 1, 7, 8. We need to find the sum of all this. Okay? We need to find the sum of all this. Now, we need to find the sum of all this. Do we know the value of n? No. Do we know the value of a? Yes, we can write the value of a is 1. This is a. Okay. What is the value of d? We know the value of d, 4 minus 1. That is 3. Okay. So here we need to find the value of n first. Okay. How we can find the value of n? N divided by 2. N divided by 2. Let us find the value of n first. Okay. So 2a plus, we need to find the value of n. So how we can find the value of n? We can find the value of n by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. The previous formula which we have used. Okay. Now we know an. What is the nth term? 178. You put here 178. What is a here? A is the first term, 1. Plus, we do not know n. We need to find the value of n. Minus 1. What is d here? D is 4 minus 1. That is 3. Okay. Now, n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 178 minus 1. Okay. We have taken this one this side. Okay. And we have written this one here. Okay. So, 178 minus 1. N minus 1 into 3. You divide this way. Cross multiplication here. Okay. So, cross multiplication 178 minus 1. It is 177 divided by 3. Okay. Can we divide this number by 3? Let's try it out. 3 5 is 15, 3 7 is 21, 3 9 is 27. So it is 59. So n minus 1 is equal to 59. So n is equal to 59 plus 1, which is equal to 60. N is equal to 60. I hope it is clear to you, not that difficult. N is equal to 60. Find the sum of AP. Okay, then we have done n is equal to 60. Now we need to find the sum. Sum. What is sum? We need to find Sn. Sn, S is 60. We need to find S 60 is equal to 60 n divided by 2. 2a, 2 into what is a here? A is 1. Okay. 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 d. So 60 minus 1. 60 minus 1 D. What is D here? D. 4 minus 1, that is 3. Right? Into 3. So 60 minus 2, 30. 2 ones are 2 plus 60 minus 1, 59 into 3. Okay? 30 into 2 plus 9 3s are 27. 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. Okay? The simple multiplication, you can do it. Okay? I think we are quite over the time, so let me do faster. Okay? 177 plus 2. It is 179. Okay? 179 into 30. 179 into 30. It is 9 3s are 27. 2 in hand. 7 3s are 21. 22, 23. 3, 2 in hand. 2 and 3, 4, 5. Okay? Put 0 here. So 5370. 5370. Therefore, sum is 5370 is the answer. I hope it is clear to you. Okay? That's all. Okay, we have completed the question. We have done, I think, at least more than 10 questions. And I hope it is clear to you. This exercise, this chapter, has only 2 formula. Okay? The formula is AN and SN. AN and SN. If you know this formula very well, and if you understand the question, not even a single question will get missed from you. Okay? This is very easy chapter. Okay? If you have to practice this chapter, you can finish within 2 to 3 hours, or let's say maximum to maximum 4-5 hours you can complete this chapter. Okay? And okay, completing this chapter, okay, if you happen to complete this chapter, then you'll get 3 to 4 marks easily. Okay? 3 to 4 marks. Don't think this is a small mark. This mark is very important mark. Okay? 3 to 4 mark is quite huge, quite large. Okay? For getting pass mark. Okay? It's very important. Or getting letter mark even. Or getting distinction mark or something like top mark or above 90. It is very important. Okay? So thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video. Okay? Please do suggest me which chapter you want me to take. Okay? So thank you so much.